Hello everybody, welcome to Wealth Window. Today we will be discussing the psychology of selling. In this video, we'll explore how understanding the human mind can transform your approach to sales. Our goal is to equip you with insights that not only enhance your selling techniques, but also boost your awareness of consumer behavior. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of the techniques that are used on you every day by large corporations to get you to keep buying. Be sure to stick around until the end of the video, where I share my #1 tip for not buying things solely because you were sold. Now let's get into the video. Have you ever wondered why certain products fly off the shelves while others gather dust? The answer often lies in the psychology behind purchasing decisions. By grasping the principles of selling psychology, you can tailor your strategies to resonate with potential buyers on a deeper level. This knowledge is crucial, whether you're a seasoned salesperson or just starting out in the industry. We'll discuss key concepts that influence consumer choices, such as emotional triggers, social proof, and the power of storytelling. Understanding these elements can significantly impact your sales performance and help you connect with your audience more effectively. Moreover, we'll highlight the importance of being aware of consumer psychology. It's not just about pushing a product. It's about creating an experience that meets the needs and desires of your customers. So, stick around as we unravel the intricate relationship between psychology and selling, and discover how you can leverage these insights to drive your success in the marketplace. To truly excel in business, it's essential to grasp the fundamental principles of selling psychology. Let's dive into 3 key concepts: reciprocity, scarcity, and authority. Reciprocity is the idea that when someone does something for us, we naturally want to return the favor. In sales, this can be as simple as offering a free sample or a helpful resource. For instance, many businesses provide free trials or consultations, creating a sense of obligation in potential customers to reciprocate by making a purchase. Next, we have scarcity, which plays on the fear of missing out. When consumers perceive that a product is in limited supply, they are more likely to act quickly to secure it. A classic example is the limited time offer strategy, where companies highlight that a deal is only available for a short period. This urgency can significantly boost sales. Lastly, authority refers to the influence that experts or credible figures have on consumer decisions. When a product is endorsed by a trusted authority, such as a celebrity or industry expert, it can enhance its appeal. Think of how many people flock to buy a skincare product simply because a well-known dermatologist recommends it. By understanding and applying these principles, you can create effective sales strategies that resonate with consumers and drive results. Emotions play a pivotal role in the selling process, often driving consumer decisions more than logic or reason. Understanding how emotions influence purchasing behavior can significantly enhance your sales strategy. One of the key emotional triggers is the desire for belonging. People often buy products that help them feel connected to a community or a lifestyle. For instance, brands like Apple create a sense of belonging among their users, making them feel part of an exclusive group. Building rapport and trust with consumers is equally important. When customers feel a personal connection with a salesperson or brand, they are more likely to make a purchase. This connection can be fostered through active listening, empathy, and genuine interactions. For example, a salesperson who takes the time to understand a customer's needs and preferences can create a more personalized experience, leading to increased loyalty and sales. Emotional selling techniques are widely used in marketing campaigns to evoke feelings that drive action. Think about the powerful advertisements that tug at your heartstrings, like those from charity organizations that showcase real stories of individuals in need. These campaigns often lead to increased donations because they connect emotionally with the audience. By tapping into emotions such as happiness, nostalgia, or even fear, marketers can create compelling narratives that resonate with consumers and motivate them to buy. Now moving on to the consumer perspective. In today's fast-paced marketplace, it's crucial for consumers to recognize when they are being sold to. Understanding common sales tactics can empower you to make informed decisions and avoid unnecessary purchases. One prevalent tactic is the use of urgency, where sellers create a false sense of scarcity, urging you to buy quickly before the opportunity disappears. Phrases like limited time offer or only a few left in stock are designed to trigger impulsive buying. Another tactic is social proof, where marketers showcase testimonials or endorsements from satisfied customers or celebrities. While these can be genuine, it's essential to critically evaluate whether these endorsements align with your own needs and values. When faced with marketing messages, take a moment to pause and assess the offer. Ask yourself if the product truly meets your needs or if it's simply a clever marketing ploy. To make informed purchasing decisions, consider some of my favorite practical tips. First, do your research. Read reviews and compare products before committing. Second, set a budget and stick to it, which can help you resist impulse buys. Lastly, trust your instincts. If something feels off about a deal, it's okay to walk away. By being aware of these tactics and evaluating offers critically, you can navigate the marketplace with confidence and make choices that truly benefit you. As we wrap up this exploration of the psychology of selling, it's essential to reiterate the importance of understanding these concepts for both sellers and consumers. For sales professionals, grasping the psychological principles behind consumer behavior can significantly enhance your selling techniques and lead to greater success. Meanwhile, consumers equipped with this knowledge can navigate the marketplace more effectively, making informed decisions that align with their needs and values. We've discussed various aspects, from emotional triggers and ethical considerations to recognizing sales tactics. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in shaping the buying experience. By applying the insights gained from this video, you can either refine your sales strategies or become a more discerning consumer. If you found this content valuable, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on sales, marketing, and consumer psychology. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends or colleagues who might benefit from these discussions. Together, we can foster a community that values knowledge and ethical practices in the world of sales. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.